Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are looking at Gymnocalycium mahanovichii variegata. Now these guys here are all grafted, however they can very easily be degrafted and will survive perfectly fine on their own roots, even with a high level of variegation. In my observations, Gymnocalycium, and specifically mahanovichii, are probably some of the most resilient variegated plants that I've ever worked with, capable of surviving with very little tissue that contains chlorophyll, and they are quite vigorous as well. The three that we're looking at, these are from Thai seed, so seed originated from Thailand, and they are approaching around 4 to 5 years old now and are ready to be degrafted. However, they're coming into flower, so if growing them on their own roots, Gymnocalycium by and large do have much higher water requirements than perhaps some of the more desert dwelling cacti friends. And in terms of light, I tend to grow Gymnocalycium in quite soft light, as they can scorch and burn easily. So soft light and fairly high water. They do flower from a young age, which is nice. And the only perhaps downside to the mahanovichii is some of the variegated ones can pup, but just keep an eye out when you're shopping. If it doesn't have pups and it's in a reasonable size, it's unlikely that it's going to become a pupping nightmare. So against Gymnocalycium mahanovichii variegata. Variegated mahano. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.